Hello, everyone. Hello, can you hear me? Answers in the comments. Hello, can you hear me? Testing, testing. 1, 2. Risa, you can hear me? Vivara, can you hear me? Good. Welcome to today's live stream. Who do we have here? We have Risa and Vivarity. And I can see we have a special guest backstage. Hello, Manoj. We will get you on stage soon. Hello, Nisha. Okay, I'm just trying to get some links for people who want to come on stage. Does anyone else want to come on stage? I have only one person waiting backstage now. I think some people like Risa said she wanted to come on stage today. Is that correct? Sarah is here. Hello, Sarah. Vavara, do you want to come on stage? Sorry, I forgot to send the backstage links to everyone. Let's just see if I can get one to Vavara. Try that one. I hope it's right. Okay, hello Sarah. How is Cairo? Are you coming backstage? Let's get our backstage guest on, Manoj. Hello Manoj, are you ready to come on stage? Please answer in the comments in the private chat or the main chat. Whatever you are able to do. Manoj, hello, let's have a look. Manoj ready? Yeah, Manoj wants to come on stage. Let's get Manoj on stage. Hello, Manoj. Good afternoon from England. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I'm
Good
fine.
evening from
Yeah.
India.
Yeah. How is India today?
Today in my place, we have rain. We had a rain, a little bit.
It was raining today, but has the rain stopped?
Yeah, it stopped.
That's good.
Drizzle.
Yeah.
Right? Drizzle, little
It's
rain.
drizzling now. That means just a little bit of rain like this, yes?
Yeah, right. That.
Oh, okay. Where in India are you again? I can't remember.
Tamil Nadu.
Oh, okay, I don't know where that
Tamil
is. Is
Nadu.
that where is that? Is that in the north, the south, the west, the east?
South part of India.
South. That's the hottest part, I guess. Maybe is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Minaj. You were just waiting for people maybe to join us, but I don't know if anyone will. I asked some people to come on stage. Oh, I can see a few. There's a little person there backstage waiting, and a bigger person. Hello, Vivara. Risa, I'm excited. We haven't seen you yet. I wasn't sure if you were a real person or if you are an AI. We can find out today. Oh, we hope we can. Oh, Risa, are you running away? You suddenly disappeared. Okay, Vivara, are you ready to come on stage? Please answer in the comments. Manoj, have you met Vivara yet?
Nope.
Yeah, she is a little student from a different secret place, actually. She hasn't told us where she's from. Vivara, are you ready to come and join us? Yes, she says. Yeah, do you want your camera on? Okay, so Vivara usually goes to dance school today, but she changed her dance lesson just so she could come on the live stream and say hello to us. Hello, Vivara. How are you? How are you?
Good.
Oh, you have a nice clear camera. Okay. So what are we doing today? Everyone knows. Do you know, Vivara, what today's subject is? Determiners. Yeah, not the Determinator. That's like a 1980s movie. Determiners. Okay, Manoj, do you know what determiners are?
Nope. But before I check on the internet, I think the determinator is before noun we put we add something like that something like that. Those these.
Yeah, good, exactly. Okay. Careful, not Determinator. Remember I said The Terminator was a 1980s science fiction movie. It's a determiner. The sentence, the cat sat on the mat. Which one is a determiner, Vavara? Do you know? The. Good. Okay, let's have a look at Risa, do you want to come on stage and say hello? Should we have a party with 4 people? Answer in the comments. Okay, Risa has a camera off. You can put your camera on or off, whatever you want. Okay, let's switch now on to my classroom. Let's open my classroom. And there we have the cat on the mat. Okay, let's find the next page. Okay, so Vavara, did you look on the internet? What is a determiner?
Yes, a determiner is a word that is used before a noun or adjective.
Adjective, good. So first we just reminded, this is a bit boring, but we have to remember all the parts of speech. Manoj, do you know all 9 parts of speech?
Yeah. Yeah.
What are
Yeah.
they?
I, we, you, they.
Sorry, hang on. A, I, V, the, you, it? What are you talking about? You're talking about pronouns, are you?
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
what are you talking about? Yeah, so number 1 is noun.
Okay, now. Yeah.
What's number 2, Vavara?
Verbs.
Good. Okay, and number 3, Manoj?
Adjective.
Adjectives.
Verbs.
Yeah, I usually put it at number 3. Yeah, nouns, verbs, adjectives. Vavara, another one?
Adverbs.
Adverbs. Yeah, they describe verbs. For example, can you give me an adverb?
Quickly.
Good. Okay, Manoj, what's next?
I don't know. What's next?
Usually, well, you could put them in different orders. Usually, I do conj. Conj, Vavara. Can you finish this word?
Conjunction.
Conjunctions. Yeah, linking words. Manoj, can you give me a conjunction, a linking word?
Yeah, but we use but something
But
like
is a
because.
conjunction. Yes.
Yeah.
Good. Next, what do I put next? Maybe prepositions next. We did prepositions last in our private lesson, didn't we, Vavara? Can you give me a preposition?
On.
On, yes. Can you give me another preposition, Manoj?
I'm sorry,
Manoj?
I don't know.
You don't know any. Okay, yeah. On, in, under. What's this one, Manoj?
Under. Okay. Yeah.
This one's under. What's this one?
Under. Upper. No.
Over.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay, that's about 6, I think, prepositions. Then, what are the other ones? Then I think, yeah, we're on to this one. We're on to determiners, and next we're going to do pronouns and interjections. Okay, so let's ask. I asked ChatGPT the question. Okay, sorry, that's just the parts of speech. There we go. Blah 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 blah. ChatGPT, what is a determiner? Manoj, can you read what it says?
Yeah. A determiner is a word we put before a noun to give more information about it. To tell us which one, how many, or whose.
Yeah, good. I mean, in the past, people just talked about articles, but articles is just one kind of determiners. There are many. So today is just a quick introduction. We're not going to do everything. We're just going to have a quick look And maybe in some later lessons, we are going to look at, we will do one live stream on the different kinds of determinants. So we'll start with articles. Okay, Vavara, what is an article, or what are the 4 choices for articles?
Articles are, for example, the words.
Yeah, you can see them in the classroom. Can you see the list I've done in red?
No, I don't see any list.
You see the classroom, yeah, with the writing and the red writing at the bottom, yes?
Oh, yes, I see a, an, there.
Yeah, I wrote X. X means no article. So it's a, and, the, and no article. So 4 choices, really. Manoj, when do we use each of these 4 articles?
Before now.
Yeah, good. Okay, but what's the difference? When do we use a, or when do we use an? When do we use the? When do we use nothing? These little words cause lots of big problems for students. A lot of students don't understand when to use them.
Yeah. We use I forgot the name. Consonants.
Oh, yes. We use it before a noun with a consonant. That's what you mean, is it?
Starting
So,
letter.
for example, car. Do we say a car or an car?
Car. Yeah. A car.
A car, yeah. So this is what we call an indefinite article. Okay, we use it for one thing when we're talking about anything in the world. Okay, for example, yeah, a car could be any car. Risa, sorry, you want to come on stage now? Yes, should we get you on? Hello, Risa.
Hello, Risa.
Hello, are you there?
Hello.
Oh, yeah, I've surprised
thinking-
you. I suddenly brought you on stage unexpectedly. How are you, Risa?
Pretty good.
Yeah,
What about
good.
you?
Yeah, so I've seen you or in my comments for a long time, but we've never had you on stage. I wanted to check that you're not AI. You're not an AI, artificial
not.
intelligence. Okay, just check you're a real person. What do you think, Manoj? Do you think she's a real person or is she an AI?
I think she's a real person.
I think yeah.
We think you're real, yeah. Maybe one day we'll see you. But yeah, you got your camera off. That's fine. Just microphone on is fine here. How is Indonesia today, Risa? Is it okay?
Yes, in my place it's hot, not raining as usual.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, good. You can do like Vivara did. If you want, you can put a picture on your profile like a unicorn or something like that. Like, do you see Vivara's unicorn?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you have a favorite animal?
Butterfly.
Okay, maybe a butterfly. Good. Articles. Okay. Have you studied articles before, Risa?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. Are you good at them or find them difficult?
Not really because there are only the 3 types of articles. So, you said before that there are 4.
Well, kind of. Some grammar books say 3 or 4 because one of the choices is no article, and you have to know when to use no article. So it's kind of a 4th choice, really. I mean, these words are funny because they're small, but they cause lots of problems, and lots of students find them really hard. And the rules are a little bit difficult. So we're just going to quickly do them today because they're maybe the most famous kind of determinants. Let's just get Sarah on stage. Sarah, are you ready to come on stage?
5?
Yeah, a bit crazy, but there's lots of space. The computer just makes space and moves us all around. Yeah, so Sarah has been on many of my live streams already. Sarah's got her camera off for some reason. It's funny. The people are getting smaller and smaller. Hello, Sarah. How are you? Hello.
Hello.
Oh dear. Oh, is that Sarah's voice? Hello, Sarah.
No, it's mine.
Oh, it's yours. Okay, so we
Hello?
might have a check. Oh, that sounded like Sarah. Hello, Sarah. Is that you?
Yeah, that's me. I can hear you. How are
You
you?
can't hear me, or you can? You can? All good?
I can hear you.
Oh, it's
Yeah, I
good.
can
Yeah,
hear you.
good. Great. Yeah, everything's fine. Yeah, we're having a party here now. We've got loads of people. I just realized when when there are more people, each person gets smaller and smaller. Do you see? It's quite funny.
Yeah.
It's like a caterpillar of circles, and I'm the big head, and then my body's getting smaller and smaller, and you're the smallest part of the caterpillar. Anyway, articles. Do you teach this in your English lessons?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. Do your students sometimes find them hard?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's start then. Okay. Can you see the sentences on the screen?
Yeah, but it's very tiny.
Yeah. Don't tell me you're using
It's okay.
a phone. Are you using
Yeah,
your
it's a
phone?
bit far because I'm using my phone, yeah. But
It's
it's
going
a
to be
bit
super
far.
small. Can you do a
But
zoom with your fingers? Zoom in like that.
okay. Yeah, now I can zoom in. Okay.
Okay. Let's try the first one.
Shall I read it?
Yeah, and choose the article.
Okay. I saw an elephant at the zoo.
Yeah, good. So this is the indefinite article an for one, and it's a vowel. Sorry, the word begins with a vowel sound, an elephant.
Yeah.
We don't say
It's
the
a vowel
elephant because we don't know which one. Okay, Manoj, you are circle number one. She is reading.
Yeah. Can you read number two?
Yeah, can you do number two for us?
She's reading an interesting book.
Yeah, good. An for one, and the noun starts with a vowel sound. And number three, Vavara?
We went to the park near our house.
Good. Here we use the what we call the definite article because it's not just any park, and it's one park. We know the park. It is the park near our house. Next one is Risa. He bought what?
He bought an umbrella because it was raining.
Yes, just one umbrella and the vowel sound an. And the next one, Sarah.
The sun is shining today.
Yeah, good. Why the? Why did we choose the
Hello?
and not? Hello, can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello, I
Yeah,
can
I
hear
can
you.
hear you.
Sarah.
Can
Yeah,
you hear me?
why is it the sun?
Yes.
I think because it's at the beginning of the sentence.
Okay, why don't we say a sun?
A sun is shining today. No, I can't say a sun. The sun is shining
Yes,
today.
it's the sun. Okay, when you have just one thing, we use the definite article the sun. Okay, next one, Manoj.
I need a pencil to write this.
Yeah. Just any pencil in the world. Okay, Vavara, what kind of meal did we have?
We had an amazing.
Yeah, an amazing meal last night. Why an amazing meal?
Well, because when we have types of word, for example, amazing, these type of words like amazing.
Yeah, then we use an because amazing begins with which letter?
A.
Yeah, A is a vowel. Do you know that word vowel?
Yes.
A-E-I-O-U. If the noun has a vowel sound, then we use an, not And the next one, Risa.
Do you want an apple or a banana?
Yeah, good. An again. Yeah, for me, a banana, I think. And the next one, Sarah.
They live in a small village by the sea.
Yeah, good. Just for one. And then the last one, Manoj.
Uh, the moon looks beautiful tonight.
Yeah, good. There is only one moon. Well, actually, there are many moons, but we have in the Earth just one, and we know which one it is, so we say the moon. Okay, actually, articles is difficult, and there's lots and lots of rules. But today is just a quick introduction to determiners, so that's enough for today.
Oh.
And sorry, Vavara, you want to say something?
No, just sorry.
Oh, it's a sigh. Okay, yeah, it's quite stressful work, isn't it? Let's check. We're right. Are we right, Vavara? Did we get all of the right answers?
I think so.
Yeah, I think so too. So next.
So when we use the X,
Oh, yeah, good question. So we didn't actually use X here, did we? No. Okay, Sarah, English teacher. When do we use no article with nouns?
No article.
Yeah, when do we use no article?
I think it depends on the sentence. I don't really know.
Okay, don't worry. So, for example, do we say yesterday I met the Sarah?
No, I can't say that. No.
No, we don't. That's
Yesterday
one
I
kind.
met Sarah.
Yeah, good. Who remembers, Manoj? Do you remember what kind of noun that is? Sarah or Chris or Mahatma Gandhi? What kind of noun is that?
Noun, I don't know.
I'm sorry? Sorry, what did you say,
No.
Vavara?
It's a name in noun.
Yeah, proper
Name.
noun. Everyone remember that word? Proper noun.
yes,
London,
proper noun.
Vavara,
proper
Mickey Mouse. Don't use articles. Also, when we talk about things in general, we don't say I like the chocolate. We just say I like chocolate. Today is just an introduction, so we will move on quickly to our next group of determiners, and they are called, next page, please, demonstratives. Okay, Risa, do you know anything about demonstratives?
Like when we want to show the position or the direction, like that.
Yeah.
That this.
Yeah, and the other, can you see I've written down 4 demonstrative words?
Those and this.
These and those. That, this, these, and those. Do you
Okay.
know how to use them?
We use that and this to sorry, we use this for near us, thing that near with us, and this to something near with us, but in plural.
Yeah, this is near but singular.
Yeah, that.
These is near
Yeah.
but plural. That is
Far and plural.
and singular. That is singular.
Yeah.
Singular means one, yes? Okay, and those, when do we use those?
Plural noun.
Yeah, and plural and near or far?
Far.
Yeah, good. So can you do the first one? Arisa, do we say this
Sure.
book, that book, these book, or those book?
This book on the table here is mine.
Yeah, good. Okay, this book here on the table is mine. And the next one is Sarah. I don't like what?
I don't like those shoes you're wearing.
Yeah, good. Do you ever say that to anyone?
Those.
No, you're very polite. Okay, and then it's
No,
Manoj.
I don't say that.
You don't say that. Yeah, you just think it sometimes. Okay. So who's it next? Manoj. Cookies. That cookies, this cookies, these cookies, or those cookies.
Those cookies are delicious.
It could be, but if something is delicious, it probably means you are eating it. Yes.
Yeah.
So do you think it's near or far?
It's near.
Yeah, it always depends on the situation. But here we imagine someone is eating something, and when they're eating it, they say it's in their hand. These cookies are delicious.
These, yeah.
Yeah,
Cookies.
it does depend, but imagine the situation. Okay, so and the next one, Vavara, can you see that mountain,
have
this
got it.
mountain, these mountains, or those mountains?
Can you see that mountain in the distance?
Good. Is it near or far?
Far.
Singular or plural?
Plural. Plural.
Good. There we go. I think I had an idea for a game called the demonstrative game, which I invented. Well, maybe other people invented it as well. What's this? What's that? Okay, where is my thing? Oh dear, I don't have any plural things. Okay, I do. Yeah, what is this, Arisa?
I can't see that because there is a time
Really?
on the
You
edge
see
of
it now?
the screen. No, I can't
Oh
see
dear.
that. There is a
that's
time
strange.
on the edge of
Okay,
the screen.
maybe your screen is different. Okay, to other people's manage. Can you see what's in my hand?
Yeah. Is a glass of wine or coffee?
Wine? What kind of teacher do you think I am? Okay, I've changed the view.
I
What
can
is this?
see it now. It's a glass.
Yeah.
It's not wine. That would be strange. Wine. This is energy
Coffee.
drink. I think it
Or-
comes from Asia. Do you know this energy drink?
What is it? Ah,
Red Bull.
yes.
It's from somewhere in East Asia. I think it's Thailand or something.
Oh, I
yeah?
know it.
Red Bull,
Yeah.
Sometimes to give the teacher some energy, he drinks some Red Bull. Yeah, so that's singular. And then we do plural. Manoj, what are these?
Those pillows. Those, I think. Those
Those are pillows. Good.
pillows.
Vavara, can you play the game? So can you show us one thing first?
Well, for example, again.
Oh, no, the game is you say the question. You say, what is this? Yes?
Okay, what is this?
And who are you asking?
Everybody.
Okay, so let's ask Risa, what is that?
Which one?
What is Vavara holding? So she said, what is this? I say, what is that? And you say?
I can only see you on.
Oh, you have. Oh,
and
sorry. I forgot I have to do a switch. I'm being quite stupid today. Well, how do I even change this? This is quite complicated. How do I do a switch? How do I remove myself? Hang on. I can do this. Yeah, this is quite a hard operation.
Oh,
Mr. Chris?
Oh, it's my.
Mr. Chris has gone.
what happened?
Okay, sorry.
happened?
I don't know what's going on here. Trying to get Vavara. Can you play the game now?
So what
Okay.
is this?
That is a cup.
Yeah, good. Okay, and now do it with plural, with two things. Can you do it with two things?
Oh, what do you mean? Two
So
things.
two things. 1, 2. Remember, I said, what are these? Yes?
Oh, yes. Let me try. Well, for example,
Okay.
what are these?
But that's strange because they're two different things. You're
different-
making this two.
Okay.
They have to be the same kind of things. Okay.
Okay.
What are these?
Then, sorry. Those are watches.
Yes, watches.
Good. And then what do you say, Vavara? Because they are close to you, you say,
These.
yeah, show everyone again.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, say the sentence, these.
Okay, 1 minute. These are watches.
Good. Why do you have two watches?
I don't know.
That's a funny thing to have, isn't it? Okay, let's add the okay. So how do I get my classroom back? All right, let's try again.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure either. This is very difficult for Chris teacher. Everyone back. So we've got everyone on stage and we've got the classroom back, yes?
Yes.
Good. So that's
Yes.
demonstratives, but we don't have time. We have to move on to the next kind of what they called determinants. So we've done articles, we've done demonstratives, that, this, that. What is next, Manoj? Do you know what's next?
Possessive.
There's different kinds. Yeah, I've put possessive determinants. My, your, his, her, our, their. Okay. So let's play the game. Manoj, this is
Yeah.
it my, your, his, her, our, or their house? So choose the
This
best
is my
option.
house.
Yeah, why did you
My.
choose my house?
Because it's near to me. I think this is my house.
Yeah, I
So
think
say like
it's the
that.
best option here, and it's one person. Okay, and Risa,
Yes.
where is...
Where is your phone, Sarah?
You need to make a call.
You need
Yeah,
to
that's
make a
the best
call.
one. So we're talking about the phone of Sarah, is sure. And Vivara, we took what? My children, your children, his children, her children, our children, or their children to the park.
We took
It could be any of them. Which one is the most normal?
our.
Can you read the full sentence?
We took our children to the park.
Yeah, good. Our is connected to we. So we is called, what's we called? It's a subject pronoun. And then our is the possessive adjective. And the last one, Sarah?
They forgot to bring their tickets.
Yeah, good. Again, it could be anyone, but this is the best one because they is
Yeah.
connected to their. Yeah, so these are nice and easy. Everyone knows these ones. So these are all determinants.
Yes.
So these are all words which you put before a noun. So to give you this gives you information about who something belongs to. So we can move on. That was easy. We can move on quickly to the next ones, which are were we correct, Vivara? Did we get the right answers?
Yes.
Yeah. Next one is quantifiers. Anyone know anything about quantifiers? Manoj?
About
No, I didn't know.
Okay, these are just words like much, several, a few. There's lots of other words. I think, yeah, lots of stuff like that. Sorry, someone said something?
No.
Some. Was that you, Risa?
Yes.
Yeah, there's lots of different kinds of quantifiers. That's related to the word quantity. Do you know that word, Risa? Quantity?
Yes. Like how many?
Yeah, how many,
of
how
the
much?
things?
So there's loads and loads of words. We're just going to quickly do some of them here. Number one, Risa.
There are only few apples left in the basket. We need to buy more.
A few. Okay.
A few.
Yes, not many. Okay, have you got any apples in your house, Risa?
No apples, but dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. That sounds scary. This is a special Indonesian fruit.
No, it's not. I ate it.
Okay, well, you ate it in your country, but I think it comes from Indonesia first, and then it went to your country. Risa, how many dragon fruit do you have?
I'm not sure.
So you can can you use a quantifier? Do you have a
Okay,
few?
okay.
Do you have some? Do you have
I
several?
think
Do you have
I
many?
have many dragon fruits because my mom just bought it yesterday. So I think we have.
You bought some.
Yeah.
Plural, yes?
Yes.
Yeah, it is singular. Good. Vivara, number two.
I don't have much time to finish this project today.
Yeah, just a little bit. So you can have, I don't have much time. Yeah. I don't have a lot of time and different things you can use. Number 3, Sarah.
She has visited several countries in Europe during her summer holiday.
Yeah. Good. How many have you visited any countries in Europe?
No, never.
Oh, really? How many countries
Yeah,
have you
but
visited in Africa? A few, several, many, loads.
Loads.
no. No,
None. Have you never been abroad?
no, I was born in Saudi Arabia. No, just Saudi
So you've
Arabia.
been in 2 countries.
Saudi
You've been in
Arabia and
Saudi
Egypt.
Arabia and Egypt. Okay. So
Yeah,
you
just
visited, we're going to say a few. It's a couple, really.
yes,
A
few
couple of, that means, a couple means 2 usually. A couple of countries in.
couple countries.
Okay, Manoj, the last one.
We didn't eat much of the cake, so there was still a lot left.
Yeah, good. Okay, that's quantifiers. Do you know any other quantifiers, Manoj?
No, and maybe less. Is that quantified? Less,
Good.
more.
Good question. I'm not sure if it'd be classified as a quantifier. How much do you have apples in your house?
Nope, but we have jackfruit.
Jackfruit. Okay.
Yeah.
What are they like? Are they sweet? Are they sour? Are they?
They taste like sweet, kind of sweet. Yeah.
Okay. How many jackfruit do you have in your house? A few, a lot, several.
A lot, a lot. Those all are on my field, in my field.
Oh, you have a field behind your house, do you?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
I'm just
yeah.
looking at an example of some quantifiers from the internet. Lots of quantifiers. Yeah, some, several, numerous, every, each, plenty. Do you have plenty of jackfruit in your fields?
Yeah, plenty. Okay.
So that means, yeah, lots, and there will not be any problems if you have plenty of something. Okay, but again, as I said, this is just a quick introduction, and we have to move on to the next one. Sarah, do you know any more kinds of determiners? Hello, Sarah, are you still there?
Sarah?
Do we have you? Sarah sometimes has a few small technical problems, or maybe Sarah had to go somewhere. Okay, Sarah, I hope you'll be back. Manoj, do you know any other different kinds of determiners?
I don't know. Nope.
Okay, let's see what the computer says. Oh, okay, those are our answers. I think they're correct. Distributives. Distributives. Sounds difficult, but it's not that difficult. It's words like either, each, neither, every. Okay, let's try this one. Risa, what do you think? Either student, each student, neither student, or every student? Hello, Risa, are you there?
Oh, sorry, I forget to unmute myself.
You forgot you were in the class?
Okay, so every student in the class passed the test,
Yeah,
or
it
each.
was easy. Yeah, every is the best one. Yeah. Have you had tests like that when every student passed?
Yes. Oh, back then when I was in high school.
Yeah. Okay, a nice easy test. And Vavara, the next one.
I'll have either the beef or the chicken. I don't mind.
Yeah, when there is the choice and the one is okay and the other one is okay, we can use either. Okay, and Manoj, the next one.
I think each of the answers was correct.
This is a negative word we want here.
Every of no every. Either.
The negative
Neither.
word. Neither.
I mean negative.
Neither of the answers are correct. Yeah. So when we have two things and it's a negative, it's it's neither. For example, I don't like Ali. I like lots of things actually. What don't I like? For example, I don't like broccoli. I don't like cauliflower. I can say I like neither broccoli or cauliflower. Do you know this word neither, Manoj?
No, I never know it before.
Okay, Risa, do you know the word neither?
Yes, it's like not either.
Yeah, it's negative either. It's strange. It can be pronounced neither or neither. Can you give me a sentence using neither?
Neither.
For example, I like neither
yeah.
cauliflower nor broccoli.
I like I don't like can I say that I don't like I don't know
No,
how to
because
say
that would be a
it.
double negative if you say I don't like neither.
Okay.
You just say I like neither.
I like neither coffee or tea.
Yeah.
An.
It should really be no. I like neither coffee nor tea. Yes. Okay. So these are okay. So you could say if you want both things, you could say either both are okay. It's either both are not okay. You could say neither. Okay. For example, Vivara, would you like for tea apples or oranges?
Apples.
Yeah, apples and oranges. Okay.
No, I can't have oranges. I have an allergy.
Oh, okay. Manoj, apples or oranges? Would you say apples, oranges, either or neither?
Either. I like both.
Either. Yeah, so the pronunciation is strange. There's two pronunciations. Some people say either, some people say either. But you can't say either. It's just either or either. Okay, Risa, which would you like for tea? Apples or oranges? So you can choose apples, oranges, either or neither.
I can choose either. What was the options?
So would you like? So the question is, would you like apples or oranges? So you have four answers. You can say apples, you can say oranges, you can say either, or you can say neither.
I will have either apple or oranges.
You can say either. That means apples are okay, oranges okay. Or you can, yeah. You knew all these words, yes? Either, each, neither, and every.
Actually, no, but
you didn't know them. Okay.
I do know them, but I don't really know how to use them in sentences.
Okay. Well, yeah, we can practice them more another time. So yeah, we'll just leave them for now, but we can come back to them. So those are some kinds of distributives. Distributives. Let's go to our next one. What was our next one? Yeah, so those are the correct answers. Numbers are also a different kind of yes, because you can say I have a car, or you can say I have one car, or you can say I have some cars, or you can say I have 26 cars. So numbers are actually another kind of determinants. Vivara, how What can you count up to in English? Can you count up to 10?
I can count up to 1,000.
Can you not count up to 1,000,000?
I can.
You can count up to 1,000,000. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, well, maybe for homework, you can count up to 1,000,000 and record it on your phone. Can you do that?
I can.
Do you know how long that will take?
Oh, Risa has gone.
I've gone.
Risa.
Oh, Risa has gone. Oh, yes. Unfortunately, some of our students have problems with their internet, and Risa has disappeared into outer space or cyberspace. Okay. Anyway, so that there are actually two kinds of numbers, Minaj. Do you know the two kinds of numbers?
Yep. First, second, third, and 1, 2, 3. Is that right?
Yeah, it's good. Cardinal and ordinal. So which are cardinal? 1, 2, 3, or first, second, third?
I don't know which was cardinal.
Yeah, so I should write this. I always forget. Let me just write it down. So ChatGPT says cardinal is like the 1, 2, 3 numbers, and ordinal is the first, second, third numbers. Okay, what number can you count up to, Minoj?
I have two brothers. And
I mean, sorry, the question is, what number can you count up to? Can you count up to 10 in English?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Can you count up to 10?
Can you count up to 10? So that means 1, 2, 3, 4,
1, 2,
5,
3,
6,
4,
7, 8, 9, 10. Can you do that? Yes?
10. Yeah.
Can you do that? Good. Yeah. So can you count up to 100?
Right now.
Yeah.
Good. Can you count up to 1,000?
Yeah.
Can you count up to 1,000,000?
No.
That's a problem. No. Not no, but it's tough. It's tough.
Okay, so you think you're good at numbers. So those are the cardinal numbers. How many people are there in this live stream, Vavara?
3.
Good. Minoj, how many people are there in India?
100.
More
Right
than
now.
1.4 billion.
Do you know Do you know the exact number?
No.
Nope.
It probably changes every day. Okay, for example,
Yeah.
maybe it could be 1,368,553,611. Does that sound about right?
Yeah. Something like that.
We don't know. So I think it changes. It goes up so quickly. So you're probably okay with those. Ordinal numbers are a bit harder. Can you count up to 10 with your ordinal numbers, Manoj?
Yeah. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. I'm right?
Yeah, good. Yeah. So we use ordinal numbers for dates. What is the date today, Vavara?
The 16th of May.
Yeah, good. Can you count up to, how far can you count up to with your ordinal numbers, Manoj?
I don't know. Maybe
Can you
100?
count up to not 1,000,000?
No.
Well, it follows a formula. If you can count up to, what's the formula? If you can count up to 30, then you can probably count up to 1,000. Can you count up to 30 with your ordinal numbers?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
11th. Yeah.
11th.
Yeah. 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21.
Which one? 20th? Did you say 20th?
Yep.
20th. 20th.
20 or 21.
20th.
Yeah, 20th. Oh,
Okay, and
okay,
after
yeah.
that,
21. I don't know.
no. What's after 20th, Vavara?
21 year. I don't know.
20th, 21,
No. So
20,
what's the first
21.
ordinal number? What's the first ordinal number? First, yes. So we start again. It's 21st.
Yes,
Ah,
21st.
Okay, and the next one, Manoj, after 21st,
it's 22nd,
and then,
23rd,
and then,
24th,
24th,
and then.
5, 26,
25th.
20. No, not 25. We want the ordinal number, not the cardinal number.
25th.
Yeah,
25th.
good. And then
26th,
26th.
26th, and then
27th,
yeah,
27th,
and then
and then
28th,
28th,
then
29th,
29th,
27th, 28th, 29th, and then
the third, I don't know.
13th. Oh, no, 40th. 40th.
Yeah, 30th.
30th. Okay, and then
31st.
yeah, then it just follows the formula. As I said, if you can count to 30, you can count to 1,000, I think. So you just
Yes.
go up and up.
If you know how
Okay,
you can count.
so Russia is the biggest country in the world. Did you know that, Vavara?
Oh, yes.
What's the second biggest country in the world, Manoj? Do you know?
Yeah. Canada, I think.
Yeah, it is. Do you know what the third biggest country in the world is, Vavara?
If it is, I live in Russia, and I think that Russia is the biggest one.
The question was, what's the third biggest?
I don't know.
It is actually China.
China.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
no.
that is ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay. So there we go. That's probably enough for today. Yeah.
Mr. Chris, do you know what Rissa just wrote in the chat? She accidentally
Oh,
pressed.
is she backstage? Is she backstage again?
No, she says I accidentally pressed the out button.
Out button. Exit
Yes.
button. Okay, let's ask if she can come back. Sure, Oscar, do you want to come back, Rissa?
Yes.
There's not much left. We only have about 5 minutes. We're just going to do a review and then we're going to finish.
Mhm.
Do you want to come back? I'm asking her. Do you think she'll say yes? I hope so. Rissa, are you ready to come back? We
Rissa,
missed you. Oh, I haven't checked all the comments. Sorry, I didn't watch all the comments today. Jessica is there. Yeah, not 21st, Jessica, 21st, 21ST. Jessica has one brother, two brothers and one sister. Nisha, person turquoise waving speech. What does that mean, Nisha? What is she talking about? Anyone know? Person turquoise waving speech. Okay, Risa, are you ready to come on stage? Yeah, let's get her back. And we're just going to finish with a review. Okay, hello. Hello, Risa, are you there now?
Rissa.
Hello?
Hi. Yes, you accidentally removed yourself, did you?
Yes.
You kicked yourself out of the studio. But you're back just in time for the review. Okay, so can you actually, there are a few small little different kinds of determiners, but that's the main ones. And I want to have a break now. So can you review what did we look at today?
I need to go
Okay.
dance in.
Sorry, what did you say, Vavara?
I need to go to my dance school.
Okay, well, Risa's just going to give us a quick review. What did we do, Risa?
Today we are doing determiners.
Yeah.
Yeah, a determiner is a word that we put before a noun to give more information about it. It tell us which one, how many of the things, and who's.
Yeah, good. And what are the different kinds of determiners that we looked at?
Oh,
There are 5. Oh, sorry, 6.
Yeah, I think
Uh,
there's about 8, but we looked at 6. That was enough. Okay.
Yeah.
And they
There's
are?
there are articles.
Yeah, good. And what are the 4 options for articles?
A.
A, N, D, and yeah, no
And
article.
And no article.
No article.
Yeah, good. I'll just move on to Manoj. And what was the second kind of determiner we looked at?
Demonstrative.
Demonstratives. Okay. And what were the different choices we looked at?
These, those, that, these.
This, yeah. So this for near and singular, these for near and plural,
Yeah.
that for far and singular, those for
Those.
far and plural. Okay, and then Vavara, what was the 4th thing we looked at?
possessive
Determiners. Yeah, remember we have like I and me. Well, those we're going to do later. Those are pronouns. But for possessive, if you own something, it's mine. Like whose phone is this?
Yours.
Your phone. No, it's not. It's my phone. Oh, it's the same thing, isn't it? Yeah. I say my, you say your. Okay, and then we did what was next, Risa?
It's quantifiers.
Quantifiers. Yeah, for example, what did they tell us about a noun?
It tell us about the quantity of the things, the
Quantity
noun.
or the amount.
Yes.
Yes. Good. How much milk do you have in your house?
I don't drink milk.
Oh, you don't have any milk. Oh,
I
okay.
don't have.
I have quite a lot.
Too.
You don't drink milk either. Okay. And then the next kind, what was the next kind, Manoj?
Distributives.
Yeah, good. Okay. So I'll give you a choice. So do you want pizza or chocolate? So you can say pizza, chocolate, either
yeah.
or neither. Which do you choose?
I don't need neither pizza or chocolate.
So you choose neither. Yes, you don't want pizza. You don't want chocolate.
Yeah. Neither.
Neither. Okay. What do you want, Vavara? Do you want pizza, chocolate, either or neither?
Neither.
You don't like pizza. You don't like chocolate.
No.
Oh. Okay. What would you choose, Arisa? Pizza, chocolate, either or neither?
You choose both, either pizza or chocolate.
Yeah, so you say either, and then I would say, okay, so I would say I'd choose one. I'd say have chocolate then.
Okay.
What about a chocolate pizza?
Oh.
That'd be horrible. You know, in Italy, there is a pizza called Tropicana pizza, which is a fruit pizza. It's a real thing. Have you heard of a fruit pizza?
Never heard about it.
Yeah, my friend got it once by mistake. I think it's more like a cake. Anyway, yeah, chocolate pizza would be weird. And then numbers. Okay, and Manoj, what are the 2 kinds of numbers?
Cardinal and ordinal.
Yeah, cardinal. Can you give me the first 3 cardinal numbers?
Cardinal. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, Vavara, can you give me the first 3 ordinal numbers?
First, second, third.
Yeah, good. Who was the first person on stage today?
It was you.
I mean, after me.
Him.
Manoj, was it you? I think
Yeah,
Manoj was
it's me.
first. I think Vavara was second. I think Risa was third. Sarah, sorry, I forgot. Sarah's sitting there patiently. I just ignored Sarah. I'll get you on just to say hello again and goodbye, unfortunately. Hello, Sarah.
Hello.
Sorry, I didn't see you sitting there patiently in the studio because something went wrong with your internet.
Hello.
No, it's fine. It's my internet. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah. Sorry, we just
Speaking.
have to say hello and goodbye, I'm afraid.
Yes.
But that was today's lesson. So just a quick introduction to determiners. Have you taught them much, Sarah? Or I don't think you've taught these much, have you?
No, not much.
Yeah, I haven't taught all of these, and I've never taught them all together. But these are just all loads of different kinds of words that we can use to describe nouns, just to tell us about how much, or what's the other information, whose they are, or stuff like that. Okay, I hope that was helpful for everyone. Thank you for everyone who came. In the comments, we have extra people, Jessica, Nisha. Thank you to our stage guests, Manoj, Vivara, and Sarah. So my next live stream, I think the next part of speech is, I think it's pronouns. So I will make my pronoun lesson on my computer, and then sometime next week I'll do it. Maybe Monday or Tuesday. I don't know.
So tomorrow
Okay.
there's no live tomorrow?
No, unfortunately, I'm having a bit of a break. I'm going to do less now, but they should be better as I have more preparation time and more advertising time. I hope to do in the future 1 or 2 live streams a week minimum. Maybe I will come back to Hello Talk. I'm not sure. I have to talk to them. Okay. Any questions before we go?
Please, can you just let me the last from the live stream?
What do you mean? You want to stay in the studio with me until everyone has gone?
Yes.
Okay. This sounds interesting. What are you gonna do? Okay, so let's end it all. Okay, no, not like that. Just end the live stream. Okay, everyone have a nice weekend.
Yes.
And over and out. Bye bye. End of
Thank
stream.
you so much, teacher, and everyone.